How to update your personal details on HSBC Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here are the steps to update your personal details on HSBC. First of all, head over to its official website and tap on the login button on the top right corner. From the login portal, you'll have to provide in your credentials to get logged in. Once that is done, on the home page, locate and tap the personal details option. Then you must see the edit button on the top right corner. After that, you can make the necessary changes to your existing personal details. It could be your phone number, email, or any other option. In some cases, you might also have to verify in case of any changes. Once that is done, tap on Continue button. To verify the changes, you'll also be prompted to generate and enter a 6-digit security code using your security device. Input the code in the designated field and tap on Update button to finalize and save your changes. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.